Cryptocurrency wallets have become an important tool for anyone looking to venture into the world of digital assets. Whether you're buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, or you just want to store your digital wealth securely, understanding how to fund your wallet is important. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to fund your wallet, from depositing cryptocurrencies to adding fiat currency, ensuring you're well equipped to manage your digital finances. But before we dive in, click on that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Now, for those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform's services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I've made videos on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you're planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. Moving on, to deposit crypto to Binance, begin by accessing your Binance account and clicking on the deposit option. After that, select Deposit Crypto, then choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Next, choose a network for the deposit, ensuring it matches the network you are sending the crypto from. Once you've done that, copy the deposit address provided by Binance. And finally, head to the platform where your cryptocurrency is stored, paste the Binance deposit address, and initiate the transfer to complete the process. Now let's move on to how to deposit from your bank account to Binance. So, to deposit from your bank account to Binance, first you'll have to log into your Binance account. Next, select the deposit option and then select Bank Deposit. After that, choose a fiat currency you'd like to deposit, and then select one of the available bank transfer methods. The next step is to enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then complete the transfer from your bank account using the bank details provided by Binance. Make sure that the name on your bank account matches the name registered to your Binance account. Now, let's take a look at another important transaction aspect on Binance, and that's withdrawals. First, we'll take a look at how to withdraw crypto from Binance, after which we'll take a look at how to withdraw fiat. So, to withdraw crypto from Binance, begin by logging into your account and navigating to the upper right corner where you'll find the account icon. Hover over it and select the Assets option. Once you're in, click on the Withdrawal button and choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Next, you'll need to enter the receiving address you want to send your crypto to and select the correct network. After that, specify the amount you intend to withdraw, then verify all the withdrawal details and complete the necessary security verifications such as two-factor authentication, 2FA. Binance will also send a confirmation email. Once you receive the email, click the link on it to finalize the withdrawal. Now, let's take a look at fiat withdrawal on Binance. To withdraw fiat from Binance, first log into your account and navigate to the upper right corner where your account icon is located. Hover over it and select Assets. On the next page, click Withdraw, then select Withdraw Fiat. Next, select the currency you'd like to withdraw, such as USD, and pick the withdrawal method. Binance provides multiple withdrawal methods, including SWIFT, SEPA, and others, depending on your region. After that, enter your bank details, including the amount you wish to withdraw, then follow the prompts to input the required information. Next, review the withdrawal details, confirm them, and complete any necessary security checks. Depending on the withdrawal method you've chosen, the transaction may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days to process. And that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency.